Yeah.
That's not an iPhone, but it does appear. So the red color indicates the trench. This indicates the trench. So I'm going to explain, break it down for you. What's happening. First of all, we have a questions here. We're going to use the questions on page.
Where's that question? Where's the page? Evan, what is it? The garden wall. 83. No, it's this one, page 92. Can you fill in this? Though the structure, same structure but different measurements. Can you fill in this? I need this question set.
Question number 1. What is it that we have to find?
Calculate the length and width of the area to be cleaned.
So we have to do the site clearance, man.
Yes.
And then if we check on specific area, we clean the site from what? All around the garden wall, right?
Yes.
All around the garden wall. So this is our garden wall. This is our garden wall. Say, this is our garden wall. This is our garden wall. And then we are having the black line represent the brick wall. The red one representing the trench. So basically, this is a trench which is what? 960. The backfilling on that is 350. 350, that means we have to backfill here, which is 350 on both sides. This side and this side, and also this side and this side at the end. However, if sometimes you might try to prove them, you know how to do the backfilling. Remember, we have 960 minus the thickness of the wall, which is 380, we divide by 2. Sometimes it might not give us that 315, the one that they gave us. So if you are given, you don't have to stress. But if you are not given, you have to calculate that. So now we are given 315. Now, let's find the total length of this wall. The total length of this wall. How are you going to find the total length of this wall? You need to use the method whereby you want to have a straight wall. How do you get that one? How about you just do this? You're going to say, fine, how about I cut my wall here, and I cut my wall here, and I cut my wall here, and I cut my wall here. That means I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
4, 5. What is that question?
Finish up with the measurements.
Good. Now, that means we can get our total measurement. We can get our measurement. We can get our measurement. What's the total length? The center length?
Yes.
They said calculate or measure.
Calculate.
Calculate. When you say calculate, you calculate.
Yes.
So we're going to say what? Okay. Calculating what? Calculate the length. The length of what? Of the wall. First, again. Or the length of the wall. So the length of the wall, we're going to have what? 2 of what? 5700. This part and this part number 1 and number 5, they are equal.
Yes.
We're going to say plus what? Plus what? Plus 4 what? 4200. Plus what? 2 of what? Of 2130. 2130. So this is what we have. You have noticed this part and this part, they are equal. So basically you're going to have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. So something like this. So something like this. From 1, we have what? 5700. Number 2, we have 2130. Number 3, we have what? 4200. Number 5, we have what? 2130. And then number 5 is 5700. As I said, 2 times what? 5.7.
Yes.
Plus 2 times what? 2130 plus 4. So you're going to have what? The total length.
Yes.
The total length. What is the answer?
19,860.
19860.
Yes.
This is what we have. The question says we do the site clearance. So you do site clearance, you clean the site with what? They said what? We clean the site what? We clean the site 5 meters all around the garden wall. So this is a calculated length. We're going to say plus what? 2 of what? 1,500. This is the length. That means if you have this wall like this, you have to clean the space that you must have, you must change. You are going to have something like this. Ne? The length changes, even the width will change. But you're focusing on the wall, that means it's 1.5, 1.5 all around it. Good. So if you add 2 of 1.5, which is
22,860.
22,860. Okay, we have the width. The width is easy. We go with the wall, remember? The thickness of the wall is 330 again. Plus 2 of what? 1.5, right?
Yeah.
1.5, which is
1830.
sorry?
1830.
1830.
Yes, sir.
1830. This is what we have. And then we have to measure. This is when we're measuring the next question.
Yes, we measure side clearance.
So let me just combine here. You know, set clearance between the side. Prepare the business work. So after that, you copy and paste the values. So you're going to have what? 2, what? 8, 6. And then with what? 1, 8, 3. This is your set clearance.
See.
Oh, so what?
Yes.
Matro is not 80, it's 3 what? 3 what?
30.
330.
Yes,
So it's
yeah.
gonna be what? 3.33.
0.33.
So this one you have with Matro.
Yes.
Good. Now, the other question they will ask you to calculate what the dimensions of what of this trench. Yeah?
Yes.
It's easy. Okay, fine. Let's take another look at this one. We said the total length here is what? It's 19 what?
860.
860.
Yes.
But we know what we have the bed filling of 315, 315. So we don't have to recalculate a lot of stuff. We just come here, we take what? The 19860 plus 2 of what?
315.
This is a trench again.
Yes.
This is a trench. So we have what? We want to take that length 19860 plus what? 2 of what? 315, which is
2490.
24.
9.
Please confirm.
Yes.
What is it that we have to check? We have to check what the garden wall, the total length of the garden wall from here to here, the height. I mean, we have 244 plus 1,000, which is what? The height of the garden wall.
440.
So it's going to be what? 2440 plus 1,000. Eh?
Yeah.
So it's going to be 3 what?
440.
440. This is our total height. You don't include the coping or the exhibit at the top, 150. Yes, sir. It's getting
I
another.
said 2 hours.
Is what? What is that thing? The one I was using. You said what?
2140.
The as here. Oh, this is what? 21490.
490.
This was this.
I fit.
2440. 2440 plus 1,000.
I say it's 3. It's yes.
Stop smoking.
3440. Say.
Yeah. Whatever is smoking is dangerous. So you have the total length of what of the trench, which is that. Ne?
Okay.
It's easy. The concrete is given. So it's easy. What is it that you have to measure? They will ask you to measure what the bacteria is there. If we were measuring, okay, let's start with the measuring part. I'll just do the measuring part. Simple. Let's measure the brick wall. Let's measure the brick wall. We are measuring the brick wall. Maybe like just 330 millimeters brick wall, brick weight. Maybe I should just answer the questions so that our people that got confused there. We measured the set clearance, what is determined the dimensions of the length and the what of one of the trench, ne?
Yes.
The trench, the trench we need to know from here to here. So the our total trench is going to be what? 1,000 plus what?
1220.
1,220 is our depth.
Yes.
This is our depth, ne?
Yes.
And then we had to measure what? Measure the excavation item. Excavation item. Excavation item. Excavation item. Excavation item. So it's going to be what? What is our total length of the trench? Because we know we're casting the what? The wall, we're casting the concrete inside the trench. So it's going to take the length of the trench again.
Yes.
What is the trench? the length, the trench, which is this one, okay? Which is this one, okay?
Yes,
So it's going to be what? You're going to excavate what? Excavate surface F for what? F for what? For the trench, okay?
yes.
It must, but it must not exceed what?
2 meters.
2 meters deep from the ground level, eh?
Yes.
We know the total depth, okay? We know the depth, we have calculated the depth, which is what? 1220, eh?
Yes.
So now we're measuring it. Easily we are going to have what? We are going to have the center line, the total length, which is 2049, eh?
Yes.
And we have the width, which is given as a 960 again.
Yes.
We are given the depth, which is
1.22.
This is what we're supposed to do on a trench.
Yes.
And the excavation.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
The other one, but to mention the item for keeping the excavation dry. That's an item. We know, everybody knows that one. Out of 100, minus 1, we have 1 out of 100 already. Everybody. Let's see, why? Where's that one? Good. We go through question 2. That was a quick thing. Good. Question 2. Measure the item for risk of collapse. Good. If we have a risk of collapse, check. If we have this is our wall, going like that. Okay, I want to finish up like that. Eh? This is our wall going like that. This is our wall going like that. This is our wall. I want to finish it up going like that. Yes, going like that. Good. Going like that. But underneath, our trench starts from here, going like that. Remember, this thing starts from here. There's a space again.
Yes.
There's a space going like that, so it's gonna be like this, going like that, whatever. So it's something like this. Something like that. Yeah? So we know the depth which is 12 what? Yeah?
Yes.
So we are talking about the risk of collapse here. How many sites are going to collapse here? If we have this is what, yeah? And this is our trench inside. Our trench. Yeah?
Yes.
This is our trench. This is our trench. We have this side, that is going to collapse. We have also this side, that means we have 4 sides, but 2 sides are equal. We have the length, it's easy. We have risk of collapse, 2 sides of what? Of the trench.
Yes.
We have the length. So it's going to be what? The length is going to be 20.49. What is the height? The height is 1.22.
1.22. Yes.
We multiply by 2 because this side is here. It's equal to it's the same side, same measurement. Okay?
Yes.
And then we have the other one, which is times 2. It's going to be what? The thickness, the one that the width. Where is the width? We calculate the width somewhere here. The width, it's given, eh? Which is 0.96 again.
Yes.
And 1.22. This is what it's supposed to be. Or you can just calculate the perimeter. The perimeter. If you are measuring that in the perimeter, you know that you're going to have what? Example, those 2 have what? 2 of what? 2 of what? 490 plus what? 2 of 9 what? 60 again. What is the answer when you do like that?
It's 42,900.
40 what?
42,900.
900.
Yes.
So that means we are going to measure it like this: 4290 with what? With 1.22. You don't times by 2 because you have taken off the entire. That's how it is. And then we go for backfill. Come on. How many sides are we going to backfill if we have this? Backfilling, like backfilling. So if we were backfilling, let's just cut like this.
Yeah.
We backfill this side, which is the same as this side, again.
Yes.
So it's gonna be times 2, again. And then we have this remaining part here.
Yes.
It's like remember what we did on winter roof?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how it is. So if it's straight like this, okay, this is our wall, and this is our this is what the pattern we should be.
Yes.
So we have this part here. If we backfill something like this, so that means you go to backfill this part again, which is the same as this side. That means it's times 2 again. You understand?
Yes.
And then if okay, let me measure some so that you can see. We have the length which is what 24 line,
Yes.
with the width which is 0.32, ne?
2, yes.
And then we have the depth which is 1000, ne?
Yes.
Times 2, because this side is equal to this side.
Yes.
Even the other one is times 2 because we have the thickness of the wall, which is what 0.33 becomes the length, and we have the thickness of the ceiling again,
Yes.
32, and we have what the height, which is the same thing. This is what we have. This is what we have. It's easy. It's easy like that. Easy like that. And the other thing, what to measure the strip foundation, come on, the concrete inside the trench. And the length of the concrete is equal to the length of the trench. But now you have but they give you a specific height of the concrete, which is what 220, and you're given the width, which is 960. So it's easy. You take the length of what the trench. You take the trench, and you take what the width of the concrete, which is what 960. You multiply it with what the height, which is 0.22. Ne?
Yes.
That's how it is. Sweet. It's easy. It's easy like that. And then we do the cutaway. A cutaway is the one replaced by the specific material. So in this one we have the soil that is replaced by what? The brick wall and what? This is what we have. Example. We have this thing, the deck fill.
Yes.
This is a soil. Before backfill, we had to cast the concrete inside here, which is what? 220. Then when you do the cutaway and specifically with the concrete, that means I'm going to have what? 20, which is 4.9 again.
Yes.
4.9? Yes. With what? 0.96 with the height. This is the soil that is replaced by the concrete. And also, the soil that was supposed to be here is being replaced by the brick wall again. That means I'm going to have what? The thickness, the length of the brick wall, which is what? The length of the brick wall is given as what? 19, what? 86 next?
Yes.
With 0, thickness of the wall again?
Yes.
With the height of the wall, which is what? Which is 1000 again?
Yes.
We're talking about underneath again. So this is what we're supposed to have. So the only soil that is left is this part, the backfilling. There's no soil here, there's no soil here. It's being replaced by those materials. Make sense?
Yes.
Are we okay? So that's how it is. I hope we are fine. If you have questions, I don't hesitate to what? To DM. And then the other ones, they say what? Calculate the height of the 330 brick wall. The height we have calculated it. I said 2240. Yeah, we do it. We do have the brick wall there. Then this, which is 3440.
Yes.
Measure the items. You know the length of the brick wall. You know the height. Again.
Yes.
The facings. Calculate the facings. Facings. Remember, 2 courses below ground level included. So when they calculated the height, you are given, this is the brick wall, you must include 2 courses below ground level. The height of the brick wall is what?
75.
So we have this and this. So it's going to be what? 2440 plus 1 plus 2 of what? 75. Which is
2590.
2590. 2590. This is what we have. 2590. Now, what is it that we have to consider also? They said what we. Okay, now we measure the facings. We are plastering that wall. We are plastering the wall. If we are plastering the wall, this is what we have. I'm going to draw the gutter wall only with this is our wall. Going like that. This is our wall going like that. If we know the height, but we are plastering, this is our plaster. This is our plaster going like this. The facings of plaster. This is something like that. You understand? So you know the length again of the wall.
Yes.
So how do you measure it? You're going to have something like this. Both sides are equal again. You times 2, both sides again.
Yes.
Which is what? 19, what? 86. What is the height that we calculated into the meeting process? 2, what?
2590.
2.59.
Yes.
And the other one is times 2, which is the thickness of the wall, which is 330 again.
Yeah.
And what is the height? 2.59. That's how it is. Simple, right? And about to measure the item for coping. Coping is for decoration. It's measured in meters. For decoration. It's on top of the wall, so you already have the length. You see? Don't forget to subscribe now. Yeah, so that's how it is. That's how it is. It's easy. Oh, that was quick.